McDonald sign will be created on a graphing calculator using 4 quadratic equations in the vertex form. These 4 equations are shown here. You can create the design later. Be sure that the axes are off, which you can do by pressing second and zoom. After the axes are being off, you press zoom and press 6. The 4 parabolas will be seen on the screen. Now I will shade the area between the parabolas. Press second, program, and select 7. Now I will write the shading instructions here, which you can do it vars, then go to y vars, enter and select equation number 2, which is below, then separated with comma, var, y vars, and then enter, select equation number 1. Now these are the shading instructions. Once you press enter, the parabola will be shaded. Likewise, I am going to shade the other half. Press clear, copy the last entry, second, enter, and change the equation y4 with y2 with y4, which I am going to do, and move to this one. The y1 should be changed with equation number 3, and pressing enter, the other part is also being shaded. Now I'm going to write McDonald in the middle. So I will press second, program, and the 0 key is the text. I will move the cursor and I will try to erase some of the portion by clicking 0. Click 0. I will have the alpha key logged first before clicking the alpha key, second alpha, and I will press 0, so it will erase the portion of the parabola where I am going to write the text. I will move the cursor back and erase a little more, and I am going to erase a little more by pressing 0, the other little portion. Now I am ready to write the text in the middle, which is McDonald. You can also likewise write your name to make sure that this is the design which you have created. I am going to start writing. Now alpha key is on and you can see it is there, so I will write M and then letter C, and I want to have a gap between them, which I will use as a minus sign. Again I will put the alpha key on, and then I will write the D, letter O, and then N, L, and D. Now I am going to clear the alpha key by just pressing clear and remove the alpha key. Now second program I am going to draw line. So number 2, which is the line, and I will draw the line around the McDonald to this one. Press the cursor, press enter, and then move the cursor to draw the line segment to make a box around the McDonald text. This one, press enter again, go down and press enter again, go to the right. I'm trying to make, and your McDonald sign is going to be ready. You can create other designs using the equations of functions. If you can write any equation, you can create any design for which if you can write the equation. That's it. Now I'm going to clear it. So I have the McDonald sign. I can save this picture, store it by pressing second, program, move to store, and then press number 1, which is there, and here you write the place. You can store 10 pictures. If I write 1 and enter, the picture will be stored, and you can recall the picture by going back to this. This is stored, and I can delete all these equations, and my picture will still be there. So I'm going to clear these equations, and I can see my screen. If there is nothing in here, I can recall the picture by pressing second, program, store again, but this time I'm going to the number 2, which is recall picture, and I will press number 1 where I stored the picture and do it. The McDonald signs comes back. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. You will try as many design as you can. If you can write the equation, you can create the design. If you have any questions,